Are you tired of the shrill ringing of your morning alarm clock? Are you afraid of hearing the early alarm clock? Are you tired of the process of using an alarm clock? Here is the Sense of Alarm, a product to help you wake up gently. This is Doris and Ruo Xiao. Our project started from we found that many people have trouble getting up. Even after the hard get up, people feel tired all day and can't concentrate, so they often do things wrong. The study showed that people all go through similar sleep patterns throughout the night. People sleep in cycles that occur regularly every 90 minutes or so. The average individual experiences around 4 to 6 sleep cycles in a total of 7 to 9 hours. Thus, the need to schedule specific wake-up times is essential to ensure the brain wakes up at an appropriate stage in its sleep cycle and that we wake up refreshed. We want to create a multi-sensory alarm clock based on time zones to create a softer, more relaxed way to wake people up. For the purpose of softening your wake-up process, we will stretch the wake-up time. In the beginning, we will use white noise to transform you from deep sleep to light sleep. And after 10 minutes we will play soft music to wake up. We will also wake up at the end of the day when you have to get up. Our products combined with 4 senses, which are vision, smell, tactile, and sense of hearing. And here are some introductions about our products. First is the overall product, which is a cylindrical shape with 4 buttons at the top. The white cover and the 4 buttons are modeled by ourselves. The cover is printed in polylactic acid and the material of the buttons is resin. The buttons represent 4 different touch sensations from left to right with different shapes, in order to represent the urgency of the time from the lightest on the left to the heaviest on the right in one stack. When the white light of the first button on the left lights up, it represents the first alarm clock that converts the customer from deep sleep to light sleep to ensure a softer wake-up process. The second 3 buttons and the sound they represent are for better waking of the client. And the red light on the rightmost button is more urgent, representing that this is the time to definitely wake up. Now the first alarm goes off now, it's white noise, and our users are pressing the white light button to turn it. Since this is a prototype, we changed the time between each alarm to 10 seconds to make it easier for us to show in this video. Then a second green light comes on and the user presses off again. The third is a yellow light with background music that gradually intensifies and wakes the person up gradually. The fourth is the most urgent red light, and the user needs to press the button many times before the alarm clock can be turned off. This is the final alarm, and the user must get up after this alarm. Also, there is a diffuser on the back. It will have 4 different flavors based on the user's preferences. When the 4 alarms go off in sequence, the diffuser emits different scents in turn, to create a relaxing wake-up atmosphere, and the button turns off the diffuser when the alarm is turned off. You will see the time display on the outer ring, which will tell you the current time. We have a built-in motion sensor, which can light up when you need to see the time. After 7 weeks of work, we designed the idea, tested the prototype, did a survey and got a lot of feedbacks, and based on that, we made our final product. We found that user testing had a big impact on our final layout, and that user behavior and thought are closely impact the design of our accessibility product. Thanks for listening and watching.